ProBlend products are the high-performing, cost-effective, American-made cleaning solutions you need to keep businesses healthy and pristine. Whether guests come looking for great food, dedicated care, local hospitality, a brighter future, or something for the road, you can ensure they have a positive experience by protecting your premises floor to ceiling with our super concentrates and ready-to-use cleaners. We offer a wide range of disinfectants, detergents, hand care, industrial chemicals, equipment, and accessories, manufactured to strict quality standards and with innovative designs, like the Hand Care Cartridge System, Nova Quick Clean System, ES Laundry Bright, and HWLT Detergent. As a network of companies with a national footprint, but the spirit of a local business, we offer turnkey solutions, consistent high-quality products, and customer service that's second to none. Call today to find out what it means to go beyond clean.